Hello and welcome to CP Cases. We're coming up to our 50th year anniversary and we've been at IBC for 27 of those years. We'd like to show you a short video clip of some of our products, some new, some existing which you may have seen before, and I'd like to introduce you first to our range of cool portable air conditioning products which are used in extreme temperatures in the world for 19-inch rack cooling and for heating.
A speciality of CP Cases is that we design and manufacture a range of products which enable 19-inch electronics to be configured for quick deployment. With our strong and rigid internal chassis and a choice of isolators, our 19-inch rack protect electronics from the harsh vibrations and impacts experienced during deployment. Accessibility, handling, connectivity, payload and kit ventilation are always a key consideration when packaging electronic systems. We also have a range of air-conditioned solutions available for managing customers' cooling and heating requirements.
Providing secure and protective enclosures for delicate or valuable equipment is the essence of what we do. By prolonging the working life of our customers' kit, we save them the expense and trauma of missed opportunity. Whether it's the technology which records history being made, or the rare and cherished artefacts that tour the world, CP Products provides the peace of mind that when the case arrives at its destination, the contents are going to be performance ready.
For more than 25 years, CP Cases have worked with broadcast camera manufacturers to develop equipment protection for their very latest kit. Our range of outside broadcast camera covers enable us to respond quickly to the requirements for camera weather protection. Our covers have been designed to meet the extremely high expectations that many OB kit managers have for quality, availability and for value for money. We keep stock of hundreds of meters of materials so that colour options are always available and that corporate or venue messaging can be complied with. Also, we have the capability to apply full colour logos. We manage this in-house, so lead time delays are never experienced.
In closing, I'd like to introduce you to our new rotational moulding plant that sits behind me, where we mould Amazon cases, Amazon racks and customised rotational moulded parts. We hope to see you again soon. If you need anything from CP Cases, you know where to go, www.cpcases.com. Thank you very much.